Hey everyone, welcome to my unboxing video. So this one is quite interesting and I'll tell you more about that as we get started. My name is Kelly Musart and thanks for joining my YouTube channel called Be You. And in the description, I will give you more info of how you can find out what I offer. And also I will give you my Etsy store. That way, if you're into tarot, I have a couple of tarot decks that are collectibles on there. And then a bunch of one-of-a-kind things that I create. So go over and check that out. All right, so let's start with just the box here. Legacy of the Divine Tarot. And as you can tell, it's a really big box, and the reason is because the guidebook is really big. Okay, so let me show you the guidebook. So the guidebook's actually called Gateway to Divine Tarot. So it's interesting. It's a different name than what's the box is on. So that's unique. It's not something you see every day. And also what's really interesting is that this gives you multiple different people's, basically they're telling you what each card means. So if you read right here, different experts, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have 5. So let me flip to a page, and I'll show you. So CM is the main guy who created this guidebook, and then you have the other people and their initials. So that's what you have throughout the whole book. So that's why this is, I think, over 200 pages long. Yep. Yeah, it's about 300 pages. All right, let's get started on the cards. All right, so on the cards here, this is the design on the back cover of each card. It doesn't change. That stays the same. You have the 78 cards for the normal tarot. And they're pretty normal size cards, really. Nothing too different. Easy to hold. Good quality of paper. Some people might think they're a little too thin. But I think they're okay. And of course you do have a nice shine. So let's get started. So of course the Fool is the beginning here. And then he actually gives you a number down there at the bottom. And let me get the light real quick, since these are darker cards. Give me a second, everyone. Let's get a light going on. There we go. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I do believe because of how dark the card is, it's black, that it was definitely throwing off. Alright, so that's the major. Here comes the minor. So down here he's got the list of ace, and what he does, which will be really nice to some people, is he actually just gives you the number instead of having in the ruminal number. It's just number 2. So it might be easier for people to see and get that quicker. And this was actually one of my finds at Half Price Books quite a while ago. So Queen of Wands is actually what's one of the things on the guidebook up there. And I think this was the High Priestess, I'm pretty sure. And now we go into the cups. All right, the last one of this deck here. All right, thanks for watching this video, and if you like videos like this, I'm going to have even more, so please subscribe to my channel, and as always, like and share. And if there's a tarot or oracle card that you want me to feature in my upcoming video, just in the comments, give me the name and who's it from, and if it's one that I have, I will totally feature it on my next video for you. All right, everyone, take care. I'll see you guys later. Bye.